Our World Outdoors, guys. Today we're at Carter Caves State Park in beautiful Kentucky, and we are going to do the Natural Bridge Trail. Now you get a lot of different readings, but they're telling us in here you'll end up getting a mile doing the loop, but it's worth it, and we're going to take you along and show you why it's worth it. And I think this is going to blow your mind, so stay with us.
So here's just a little fun fact. This is the only natural bridge in Kentucky that actually has a road that goes over top of it. So something kind of unique about this natural bridge versus others.
Okay, so we just went through the natural bridge. This thing is amazing, and it's huge. I don't know if you guys saw Missy and all the shots I did. I tried to put her in some to give you kind of a scale. I mean, this thing is massive. We're used to natural bridges back home, which are maybe 50 foot tall, high.
Yeah.
Some of them even less.
Not very wide either.
Yeah, this thing is freaking huge. This reminds you of like a bridge that goes across the highway out in the hills of Virginia, because this thing is massive. I can't put into scope or scale what it actually looks like. You got to come see it. I mean, you can see the erosion in time has ate at this, but it's going to be standing a long time from now. If you get a chance, come down and check it out. This is worth coming down and checking out.
So hope you guys enjoyed it. We got it just slightly over a mile. Once again, you start the trail and end the trail right here at the Welcome Center. So that is the Natural Bridge Trail at Carter Caves State Forest or State Park.